Are you planning a trip to Mexico but struggling to decide which cities to visit? Mexico is a country with a rich history and culture, and it can be difficult to narrow down your options. But don't worry, we've got you covered. We'll be counting down the top 5 cities to visit in Mexico based on visitor satisfaction and popularity. Number 5. Guadalajara. Guadalajara is a city that offers a unique blend of tradition and modernity, earning it the nickname, the cultural capital of Mexico. The historic center of the city is home to stunning colonial architecture, including the iconic Guadalajara Cathedral and the Teatro de Gallardo. Visitors can also explore the city's many museums, parks, and markets, where they can sample the local cuisine and buy handcrafted souvenirs. If you're looking for a vibrant city with plenty to see and do, Guadalajara is definitely worth a visit. Number 4. Puerto Vallarta. Located on Mexico's Pacific coast, Puerto Vallarta is a beach resort town that attracts visitors from all over the world. Its picturesque beaches, such as Playa de los Muertos and Conchas Chinas, offer a range of water activities, including snorkeling and kayaking. The town's charming cobblestone streets are lined with art galleries, cafes, and restaurants, making it the perfect place to relax and soak up the local culture. If you're looking for a relaxing beach vacation with plenty of opportunities for exploration, Puerto Vallarta is the perfect destination. Number 3. Oaxaca. Oaxaca is a colonial city known for its vibrant culture and rich history. Visitors can explore the city's many museums and galleries, including the Museum of Oaxacan Cultures and the Rufino Tamayo Museum of Contemporary Art. The city is also famous for its cuisine, which features traditional dishes such as mole and tlayudas. For those looking to immerse themselves in nature, the nearby Monte Alban archaeological site and Here El Agua natural pools are must-see attractions. If you're looking for a city that offers a unique blend of history, culture, and nature, Oaxaca is definitely worth a visit. Number 2. Cancun. Cancun is one of the most popular tourist destinations in Mexico, and for good reason. Its pristine beaches, crystal-clear waters, and vibrant nightlife make it the perfect destination for sunseekers and partygoers alike. Visitors can also explore the Mayan ruins of Chichen Itza and Tulum, or take a day trip to the nearby island of Isla Mujeres. If you're looking for a lively beach vacation with plenty of opportunities for adventure and exploration, Cancun is the perfect destination. Number 1. Mexico City. Mexico City is a vibrant metropolis that offers something for everyone. Its historic center is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and is home to many iconic landmarks, such as the Palacio de Bellas Artes and the National Palace. Visitors can also explore the city's many museums, including the Frida Kahlo Museum and the National Museum of Anthropology. The city's food scene is also something to behold, with street food vendors serving up everything from tacos to tamales. If you're looking for a city that offers a diverse range of experiences, Mexico City is the perfect destination. Mexico is a country that offers a diverse range of experiences for travelers. Whether you're looking to explore the country's rich cultural heritage, relax on pristine beaches, or party the night away, Mexico has something for everyone. We hope this video has helped you narrow down your options and plan your perfect Mexican vacation. If you've already visited any of these cities, we'd love to hear your thoughts and recommendations in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with all of our latest travel videos.